Off!
Dreams. How Callum loves to dream, to drift in and out of foggy slumber and mingle with the unknown. How he loves to let the spirits tempt him with endless possibility, waking up to naive ambition, a life that never was, a life that never could be.
What's wrong?
I'm scared.
Of what?
Haven't you heard? There's a horrible dragon coming this way. They say he's coming to gobble us all up.
A dragon? I'm not afraid of a silly old dragon. Come on, sheep. Together we'll go and fight this dragon and save the town.
I would, Lion, but I'm so afraid. What if the dragon gobbles me up?
But I need your help. I can't do it alone.
I'm sorry, Lion.
How am I going to fight the dragon now? Ah, here comes the elephant. She'll help me.
Help you with what?
I'm going on a mission to slay the dragon, and I need your help.
Me? Oh, I would, Lion, but I have to look after my babies. If the dragon ate me, who would look after them?
But I need your help. I can't do it alone.
I'm sorry, Lion. Come along, children.
Oh no, why won't anyone help me? If I don't find help soon, that dragon will come, and then that will be the end of me.
Oh, hello, Lion. What are you doing out here on your own?
Monkey! My good friend! I'm going on a mission to slay the dragon. You'll help me, won't you?
Oh, I would, Lion, but if I came with you and the dragon ate me, then I couldn't open up my shop, and nobody would be able to buy any food.
But don't you care about the dragon coming here and gobbling everyone up?
To be honest, I'm more afraid of what the boss will do if I'm late again.
Callum, I'm going on a mission to slay the dragon. Will you help me? Please, Callum, I know it's scary. But if we don't, the dragon will come here and gobble us all up.
Come on, Callum, go get that dragon.
Callum! Callum!
Oh, get the dragon.
Can't you go?
Come on, Callum. You can do it. I don't want to be get that dragon. Callum, please.
I'm with you, Callum. I mean, who wants to get gobbled up by a big dragon? I'm worried, though, because Lion's all alone. I hate to see him all chewed up. Come to think of it, he could do with some help. Are you sure you can't help him?
Go on, Callum, you can do it. I'd help out, but I've got my kids to look after. Please, Callum.
Fuck off!